Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So if you have a Lloyds Bank account that includes mobile phone insurance, you need to register your device to make a claim if needed. Here's how to do this quickly. So firstly guys, check your eligibility. This insurance is available with Lloyds Platinum or Premier accounts. Ensure your phone is not already covered by another policy. After that, register online. You need to visit Lloyds Bank insurance portal. Go to the Lloyds Bank website, navigate to mobile phone insurance under your account benefits. Click on register your phone, enter your phone details, make and model, email number. You can also dial a specific combination to find it out. And purchase date and proof of ownership. Confirm and submit your registration. Also, call Lloyds Insurance Customer Service if you want to register by phone. Provide your account details and phone information. And once registered, your phone is covered against damage, loss, and theft. Keep your email number and registration confirmation handy in case you need to make a claim. Guys, hopefully this video helps you out. Give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and thanks for watching.